Welcome to Nilanati channel. How generative AI can help with automated layout generation and how designers can use generative AI to analyze site constraints, design requirements, and input from engineers to quickly generate layout options for site plans that consider factors such as zoning regulations, operational use, and user preferences. Generative AI can significantly assist in automated layout generation by analyzing site constraints, design requirements, and input from engineers to quickly generate layout options for site plans. This process considers factors such as zoning regulations, operational use, and user preferences. Designers can use generative AI in the following ways. Automated layout generation. Generative AI can analyze site constraints and design requirements to generate layout options for site plans. This can save time and effort for designers, allowing them to focus on other aspects of the project. Zoning regulations. Generative AI can help designers understand and comply with zoning regulations by analyzing the data and generating layout options that meet the requirements. Operational use. By considering operational use, generative AI can help designers create layouts that optimize the site's functionality and efficiency. User preferences. Generative AI can analyze user preferences and generate layout options that cater to the needs and preferences of the users. Collaboration with engineers. Generative AI can work in collaboration with engineers to generate layout options that consider the input and feedback from engineers. Quick generation of layout options. Generative AI can quickly generate multiple layout options, allowing designers to choose the best option for their project. What are some examples of generative AI in architecture and design? Some examples of generative AI in architecture and design include Autodesk Fusion 360 and Dassault CATIA Generative Design. These tools use generative AI to design physical objects, such as buildings and infrastructure, by analyzing data and generating layout options that meet design requirements and constraints. Midjourney, an AI image generator that can create realistic images based on detailed text inputs, helping manufacturers generate prototypes, quick mock-ups, and visualizations without the need for physical samples. Viscom, a tool that enables designers and architects to swiftly create and render designs with a multitude of options, including color, material, finish, and part-specific modifications, resulting in faster and more versatile design iterations. Perkins & Will, a company working on a tool that uses AI to improve communication between architects and engineers, helping them generate layout options that consider the input and feedback from engineers. Archista, a platform that uses generative AI to create architectural designs, optimizing building performance and sustainability. What are the benefits of using generative AI in architecture and design? Generative AI can be used to improve sustainability in architecture and design by optimizing building designs for energy efficiency, reducing carbon emissions, and conserving resources. Generative AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and relationships that are not easily detectable by humans. By considering factors such as natural light, insulation, and renewable energy sources, generative AI can help architects create structures that minimize energy consumption. Generative AI can also assist architects in achieving sustainability certification goals, such as LEED or BREEAM, by optimizing designs for energy efficiency, use of sustainable materials, and other eco-friendly factors. Additionally, generative AI can help architects and designers make more informed decisions about building design and material selection, site selection, and prediction of building performance. By rapidly and effectively generating multiple design choices, generative AI fosters the creation of eco-friendly and environmentally responsible designs. Overall, generative AI can help architects and designers create sustainable, innovative, and awe-inspiring designs that are optimized for energy efficiency and environmental impact. What are some examples of sustainable building designs that have been created using generative AI? Generative AI can be used to create sustainable building designs by optimizing building layouts for energy efficiency, reducing carbon emissions, and conserving resources. Generative AI algorithms can evaluate and refine design options, enabling architects to explore multiple possibilities and identify the most sustainable and user-friendly designs. By considering factors such as natural light, insulation, and renewable energy sources, generative AI can help architects create structures that minimize energy consumption. Some examples of sustainable building designs created using generative AI include buildings that optimize material use, reduce waste, and conserve resources. Generative AI can also assist architects in achieving sustainability certification goals such as LEED or BREEAM by optimizing designs for energy efficiency, use of sustainable materials, and other eco-friendly factors. Overall, generative AI can help architects and designers create sustainable, innovative, and awe-inspiring designs that are optimized for energy efficiency and environmental impact. What are some sustainable building designs that have been created using generative AI? Some examples of sustainable building designs that have been created using generative AI include optimizing energy efficiency. Generative AI algorithms can optimize building layouts for energy efficiency by considering factors such as natural light, insulation, and renewable energy sources. Sustainability certification goals. Generative AI can assist architects in achieving sustainability certification goals, such as LEED or BREEAM, by optimizing designs for energy efficiency, use of sustainable materials, and other eco-friendly factors. Diverse design possibilities. AI algorithms in architecture enable the creation of diverse designs based on specific criteria, leading to the development of sustainable and user-friendly building designs. How does Gen AI help with design optimization? Generative AI can help optimize site plans by analyzing parameters like solar orientation, traffic flow, and accessibility to suggest optimal infrastructure placements. This can help improve energy efficiency, support better space utilization, and enhance the user experience. Generative AI, also known as generative design, leverages the power of artificial intelligence to develop new high-performance designs, reduce component weights and manufacturing costs, and optimize performance. In the context of design optimization, it can help improve energy efficiency, support better space utilization, and enhance the user experience by analyzing parameters such as solar orientation, traffic flow, and accessibility to suggest optimal infrastructure placements. This technology is being used in various fields, including architecture, engineering, and urban planning, to create more efficient and innovative designs by considering a wide range of factors and generating and evaluating multiple design options based on input parameters. For example, in architecture, generative AI can autonomously design and optimize architectural projects by considering parameters like solar orientation, traffic flow, and accessibility. Therefore, generative AI can be a powerful tool for optimizing designs across different domains. What are some other applications of generative AI in design optimization? Generative AI, also known as generative design, has various applications in design optimization across different industries. Some of the key applications include manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, and defense industries. Generative AI can create designs optimized to meet specific goals and constraints, such as performance, materials, and manufacturing methods, accelerating the design process and producing potential solutions for engineers to evaluate. Automotive sector, generative AI aids in designing and optimizing components, structures, and vehicle systems, ensuring they meet performance and safety standards, and can also contribute to optimizing energy consumption. Architecture. In architecture, generative AI can autonomously design and optimize architectural projects by considering parameters like solar orientation, traffic flow, and accessibility, leading to improved energy efficiency, better space utilization, and enhanced user experience. Additive manufacturing. Generative design is frequently used to optimize designs for additive manufacturing, creating new, innovative, and efficient designs for various products. Product design and optimization. Generative AI can optimize designs by automatically analyzing and refining parameters such as weight, dimensions, or material usage, leading to more efficient and cost-effective products. How can generative AI be used to optimize production processes? Generative AI can be used to optimize production processes in various ways. One way is by continuously analyzing data to fine-tune processes, improve resource allocation, and enhance overall output. Generative AI can also be used to identify inefficiencies in manufacturing processes and suggest improvements such as optimizing the placement of machines on a factory floor to reduce the time it takes. Additionally, generative AI can be used for quality control by identifying defects in products and suggesting ways to fix them. Other applications of generative AI in manufacturing include product design optimization, real-time equipment diagnostics, and supply chain traceability. By leveraging generative AI, manufacturers can increase efficiency, improve product quality, reduce time to market, and minimize their environmental impact. How can generative AI be integrated into existing production systems? Generative AI can be integrated into existing production systems in several ways, offering various benefits and presenting some challenges. Some of the key ways to integrate generative AI into production systems include supply chain optimization. Generative AI can be used to optimize supply chain operations by analyzing large data sets, identifying patterns, and providing insights to streamline procedures and enhance decision-making. It can help in demand forecasting, supply chain optimization, and financial management. Manufacturing process enhancement. Generative AI can be applied to enhance manufacturing processes by continuously analyzing data, identifying inefficiencies, and suggesting improvements. It can also be used for quality control, product design optimization, and real-time equipment diagnostics. Product design and development. Generative AI enables manufacturers to automate the optimization of product designs, leading to increased efficiency, cost reduction, and enhanced product innovation. Challenges of integration. Integrating generative AI into existing workflows can be challenging, as it may require adaptation to new tools and processes, addressing ethical considerations, and ensuring the models fit within pre-existing technology and service management practices. Model performance and evaluation. Generative models are often complex and computationally intensive to train and serve. They may require specialized hardware and software infrastructure, and evaluating and comparing generative models can be challenging. What are some best practices for integrating generative AI into existing production systems? Integrating generative AI into existing production systems requires careful planning and execution. Here are some best practices for integrating generative AI into existing production systems. Define business goals and needs. Define your business goals and needs before integrating generative AI into your existing production systems. Choose the right generative AI technology. Choose the right generative AI technology that aligns with your business goals and needs. Prepare your data. Prepare your data to ensure that it is of high quality and accuracy. Integrate generative AI with your data applications. Integrate generative AI with your data applications to unlock its full potential. Monitor and evaluate performance. Monitor and evaluate the performance of generative AI to ensure that it is meeting your business goals and needs. What are some common use cases for generative AI in production optimization? Some common use cases for generative AI in production optimization include product design and development. Generative AI can be used to generate and test multiple design ideas, reducing costs and time and creating better products faster. Supply chain optimization. Generative AI can analyze supply chain data to optimize inventory levels, reduce lead times, and enhance procurement strategies. It can also predict demand fluctuations and suggest adjustments to minimize waste and costs. Process optimization. Generative AI can assist in process optimization by analyzing data on production processes, identifying inefficiencies, and suggesting improvements. It can also be used for quality control and predictive maintenance. Customization at scale. Generative AI can produce customized product variations without significantly increasing production, making it possible to offer personalized products to a broader audience. Manufacturing process enhancement. Generative AI can be applied to enhance manufacturing processes by continuously analyzing data, identifying inefficiencies, and suggesting improvements. It can also be used for quality control, product design optimization, and real-time equipment diagnostics.